Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yam pudding. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh yams, peeled and cut into cubes. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small pinch of nutmeg. These simple items are the foundation for a wonderfully sweet and comforting dessert. Now, let's prepare our yams. Place the cubed yams into a large pot and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil and cook until the yams are very tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the yams completely. Then, mash them thoroughly until they are smooth and free of any lumps. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, creamy pudding consistency. With your yams mashed, it's time to mix everything together. In a large bowl, combine the mashed yams with the brown sugar, melted butter, milk, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Stir well until all ingredients are fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Next, pour this delicious mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish that has been lightly greased. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's set and lightly golden. Once your yam pudding is baked to perfection, let it cool slightly before serving. It's absolutely delicious served warm, perhaps with a generous dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. A sprinkle of extra cinnamon or some chopped pecans can add a lovely finishing touch. This comforting dessert is perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.